Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this keyhole edit inspired by Selena Gomez on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this keyhole overlay on top of this video. Then I'm just going to go to video, remove background, and select chroma key. We're just going to select the white area here. Just leave it. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger though. Then go to the effects section and type in blur. You're just going to only put it on the overlay though, like this. You can adjust the blur if you'd like to. I think I'm just going to make it like this. And I think I might make some adjustments here to make the overlay a little bit darker. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.